Hey guys, currently we are at the seaside and we will be driving on the Bandra Worli Sea Link. So this Sea Link basically connects Bandra in the western suburbs with Worli in the South Mumbai. So it would be an amazing drive. You would see on both sides, and it's pretty scenic out there, especially in evenings. While this was recorded in the daytime, but sure you will be having a great time, while you are driving. So if you're new in Mumbai, you would absolutely love it because this is one of the famous bridges in India, and it is a cable stayed bridge, and it looks absolutely stunning as well as gorgeous when it's in the early mornings or the late evenings when thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. You can support this travel and exploration YouTube channel by subscribing to it and sharing it with your friends and family. Thanks so much for watching.